What the reason why you don't remember Parliament? Good at TikTok.
Bebe, I don't belittle you.
I don't think I want to.
Listen, my brother. I think you're trying to go off the track.
But if you forego,
I decided to retire on my own. Bobo yakala nawe.
No. Where we have come from,
I know you very well. But kaya na essence, togenda kaya na without sense.
Since you're no longer a member of Parliament.
But I'm a member of Parliament.
Senseless.
Linda Kokatono, fine, Bebe, who is the member? Bebe, let's go slow. Who is the member of Parliament of Kampala? Kibuzo mwana wao kuba manyaso buluchidamu.
Why aren't you in any party?
Ani MP wa Kampala.
Why do you think you are even dropped from?
Jamu, no worries. I don't mind. And this is where, Bebe, this is where I want to.
Conversation about the genuine.
Ani MP wa Kampala.
Come and win likes.
Bebe, ani MP wa Kampala. You can shout.
Responsibility
Bebe, let me tell you, if you want to go into intellectualism, you're losing this battle. And I think you
as a person go by
you've lost the battle because this is not true.
How long